Warning: watching this Python animation may cause extreme creativity. Subscribe at your own risk and enjoy the coding journey with electro4u.net. Hit to like and subscribe now. Functions. This line imports all functions from the Turtle module, making them available to use without the need to prefix them with Turtle. Setting drawing speed and colors. Sets the drawing speed to the fastest possible setting, 0, ensuring a smoother animation. Color, cyan. Sets the pen color to cyan, which will be used to draw the spiral lines. Beige color, black. Sets the background color of the drawing window to black, providing a contrasting backdrop for the cyan spiral, initializing the spiral's control variable. This line creates a variable named B and sets its initial value to 200. This variable will control both the angle of the turns and the length of the line segments drawn during the spiral's creation. Drawing the spiral using a loop while B = 0. This starts a loop that will continue as long as the value of B is greater than or equal to 0. Right B turns the turtle to the right by B degrees. This creates the curvature of the spiral as the degrees decrease with each iteration. Forward B * 1.5 moves the turtle forward by B * 1.5 pixels, drawing a line segment of the spiral. The length of the segment decreases as B decreases. Decrements the value of B by 1, ensuring the loop eventually terminates and the spiral gradually tightens. Hides the turtle icon from the drawing, leaving only the cyan spiral pattern visible. Keeps the drawing window open until it's manually closed, allowing you to view the completed spiral.
Subscribe to Electro4U for more mesmerizing animations. अधिक मंत्रमुग्ध कर देने वाले एनिमेशन के लिए Electro4U की सदस्यता लें। धन्यवाद।